abalone here. Put the abalone here. Abalone is cooked. Put here the abalone. And then this, the famous Chinese fish soup with tofu. The tofu which is we normally do by ourselves, you know. This is the tofu. This is the grouper head. You see? Grouper head. And then, oh my god, this is the spicy soup which have some blood. See the blood? Have some seaweed, lotus root, like, and spicy person. What else inside? Oh, they forgot.
Only chicken blood.
Chicken blood and oh, and the tripe I'm cutting. Yeah, the stomach of the beef. And you know, guys, this is the tripe, the stomach of the beef. Soak purse in the soda, baking soda, because it's quite stinky. Okay, and that's all. Thank you. I'm busy.